Hey, I'll show you how to use split screen on your Google Pixel so you can run two apps at once. Let's jump in. First, open the two apps you want to use, swipe up from the bottom, then hold the recent apps screen open. If you're using the classic navigation buttons, tap the recent apps button. After that, tap the app icon at the top of the app preview, then select split screen. Now choose the second app from your recent apps list, and that's it. Both apps will appear on the screen together. To exit, drag the divider bar all the way up or down until one app closes. And that's how to open split screen on your Google Pixel. If this helped, like and subscribe for more Pixel tips. See you next time.